Hello everyone, in this video we will see what are viral vectors, the two types of lambda phage vectors, namely insertion vector and replacement vector. The nucleic acid present in viruses may be linear DNA, circular single-stranded DNA, circular double-stranded DNA or RNA. Lambda phages have circular double-stranded DNA as a nucleic acid material. Lambda phages are viruses of E. coli. They have linear double-stranded DNA of 48.5 kilobase per size. At each end of the DNA is short single-strand 5' projections called the cos sites of 12 nucleotides. These cohesive termini helps it to adopt a circular structure inside the host cell. Genes are clustered except the two regulatory genes N and Q. Genes on the left code for head and tail portions. The center part code for recombination, red gene for lysogeny, and genes present on the right include N, CRO and C1 which code for regulation and prophage immunity to superinfection, O and P coding for DNA synthesis, Q for late function regulation, and S and R for host cell lysis. The two types of lambda phage vectors are insertion vectors and replacement vectors. In insertion vector, the DNA is cloned into the vector at a unique site. 5 to 10 kilobase per DNA can be cloned depending on the design of the vector, and it is used for cDNA cloning, and the examples include lambda GT10 and 11. In replacement vector, the non-essential region is replaced by the foreign DNA, so there should be two unique restriction sites flanking the stuffer region or the non-essential region, and up to 24 kilobase per DNA can be cloned, and this is used for genomic cloning, and examples include EMBL3 and 4. An example for insertion vector is lambda GT10. The size of the DNA is 43 kilobase pair and 7 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be inserted into this vector. C1 gene codes for a protein that represses the lytic pathway. So if C1 gene is intact, then you get lysogenic pathway. If C1 gene is disrupted by inserting the foreign DNA, then it results in the lytic cycle. So recombinants favor lytic pathway and non-recombinants favor lysogenic pathway. An example for replacement vector is EMBL3. EMBL stands for European Microbiology Laboratory. The DNA shows that there is a left arm and a right arm and a central arm which is flanked by two polylinkers which can be replaced by 9 to 23 kilobase per foreign DNA. It is used to prepare genomic libraries in eukaryotes, and the polylinkers are of reverse order in EMBL4, and 20 kilobase per DNA can be inserted. It has a chi site which helps in negative selection, SPI- phenotype.